all over the world. I'm a teacher. This is my new student. Come in front and sana siya sa English ng pakilala and introduce yourself and state your name and address and contact number, personality and sensitivity or brightness your wallpaper, prove the approving your according to my new classmate that this is my gang. Whoops. Oh, okay. Oops. This is my new classmates. Hoy. Ako yung teacher tapos gano. This is my house oops. This is my work. Yeah. This my gang, my friends and teacher. I'll forget. Take this song. The song is dedicated to myself. This is a man. There was something, and my song is there was something. Yeah. So this guy has liked YouTube and the channel, follow Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. YouTube channel, people. My friends.
Hoy, bagong mata. Tanaw diri. Paru-paru G.